Welcome! If you've ever noticed random Snapchat notifications popping up on your lock screen and revealing more than you'd like, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to hide the content of those miscellaneous notifications so your privacy stays intact, even when your phone is locked. Sometimes Snapchat sends background or system-type alerts that don't fall under chats or stories. These are grouped under miscellaneous, and by default, they can still show content on your lock screen. The good news is you can easily change that in just a few taps. Let's get straight into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app-level controls live. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Apps. You'll see a full list of everything installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. This opens up all the permissions and notification settings specific to Snapchat. Now tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see different categories of alerts that Snapchat can send you. From there, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks things down even further so you can customize exactly what you want to see. Look for Miscellaneous and tap on it. This is the category we're targeting. Inside, tap on Lock Screen. You'll see a few display options. Go ahead and choose Hide Content. This ensures that while you'll still receive the notification, the actual message or details won't be visible unless you unlock your phone.